Up on the hill, baby, Rio Celeste calling you. 23 acres deep in the green and the blue. 10 suites waiting, fully dressed, ready for you. 2 queen beds and mattress too. Come and make it through. Step out to the balcony, treetops under your feet. Toast to the valley glow, feel that jungle breeze. Smart TV on standby, high speed in the room. Everything you need tonight, blooming in the bloom. Rio Celeste Glamping, Rio Celeste Glamping. Stay where the wild ones sing. Rio Celeste Glamping, Rio Celeste Glamping. Close to the waterfall dream. Full-size table set for the plates and the wine. Kitchen appliances in the tent just fine. Fridge and freezer ready for the cold drinks and line. Toilet